Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica Johnson, nurse practitioner and metabolic health coach, and welcome back to my channel. Now, today we're going to be tackling a topic that I hear about from so many clients: meal prepping. I know meal prepping can feel so overwhelming, especially if you're juggling a busy career or family and trying to stay on top of your health goals. But with a few simple tips, meal prepping can actually save you time, reduce your stress, and help you stay on track with your health goals. Today, we're going to go over 3 tips to help make meal prep more manageable. Tip number 1 for making meal prep more manageable: start small and keep it simple. One of the biggest mistakes people can make when they first start meal prepping is trying to prep everything for the entire week. And this can lead to burnout, and in the beginning, it can also lead to food waste. Now, I was guilty of this when I first started meal prepping. I dove right in and tried to prep everything, all meals and snacks, for the entire week, and I quickly felt burnt out. So instead, start by prepping just 1 to 2 meals, such as lunches and dinners, just to get a hang of the routine. And try to stick to simple recipes with fewer ingredients that you like and can make easily. Tip number 2 for making meal prep more manageable: plan before you prep. Set aside a few minutes each week to plan your meals and create a shopping list. I always encourage clients to choose meals that share ingredients. That way you're not overwhelmed with a large grocery list. For example, if you're having chicken in your lunch recipe, try to incorporate it into your dinner recipe as well. Or plan for a larger dinner so that you have leftovers for lunch. Planning ahead makes the process quicker and helps you minimize food waste. Tip number 3 for making meal planning more manageable: use time-saving tools. Things like slow cookers, Instant Pots, or even pre-chopped veggies can cut down on prep time and make meal prepping more manageable. Just keep in mind that if you go the pre-chopped veggie route, you're going to pay for the cost of convenience. And utilize batch cooking. So batch cooking your grains like your wild rice and your quinoa, or proteins like your chicken and your ground beef, can be time savers and game changers. Once you have the basics prepped, it's going to be easy to mix and match throughout the week. So to recap, start small, plan before you prep, and use time-saving tools. You see, meal prepping does not have to be super complicated, and even small steps make a big difference. So if you're new to meal prep, start with these tips and see how much easier the meal prep process becomes for you. If you're looking for more support, check out my membership community, where I dive into topics such as this and so much more to help you along your health journey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on more tips for achieving your health goals through sustainable, healthy habits. I'll see you in the next video.